Hi, Lip Yao here again, and this week I've been learning another hymn, "'Tis So Sweet to Trust in Jesus," and it really only requires three chords, so very easy, and it's a beautiful kind of traditional, more gospel style or bluegrass style type hymn. So it's a key of C, and the chords you need are C major, G, G, and F. And well, again, this is keeping it simple. I don't really know how to play it in bluegrass style. Um, Hopefully, I'll learn it one day. But let's go through the first verse once through. So this hymn is in, again, it's duple quadruple time. So again, it's two beats per symbol you see on the song sheet. And we're going to be using kind of our standard strum, kind of down, down, up, down, down, up, down. Okay, so let's go. 'Tis so sweet to trust in Jesus and to take him at his word. Trust to rest upon his promise and to know thus said the Lord. Jesus, Jesus, how I trust him, how I've proved him o'er and o'er. Jesus, Jesus, precious Jesus, oh, for grace to trust him more. Grab your song sheets and we'll play through all four verses once through. 'Tis so sweet to trust in Jesus and to take him at his word, just to rest upon his promise and to know thus said the Lord. Jesus, Jesus, how I trust him, how I prove him o'er and o'er. Jesus, Jesus, precious Jesus, oh, for grace to trust him more. Oh, how sweet to trust in Jesus, just to trust his cleansing blood, and in simple faith to plunge beneath the healing cleansing flood. Jesus, Jesus, how I trust him, how I prove him o'er and o'er. Jesus, Jesus, precious Jesus, oh, for grace to trust him more. Yes, 'tis sweet to trust in Jesus, just from sin and self to cease, just from Jesus simply taking life and rest and joy and peace. Jesus, Jesus, how I trust him, how I prove him o'er and o'er. Jesus, Jesus, precious Jesus, oh, for grace to trust him more. I'm so glad I learned to trust him, precious Jesus, Savior, friend. And I know that thou art with me, wilt be with me to the end. Jesus, Jesus, how I trust him, how I prove him o'er and o'er. Jesus, Jesus, precious Jesus, oh, for grace to trust him more. So that was 'Tis So Sweet to Trust in Jesus. Again, just only three chords, fairly simple hymn to play along, and I enjoyed it tremendously. I loved the very vigorous beat and rhythm. So I hope you enjoy it too. See you next time.